안녕하세요, this is Gia. I made a few chicken recipes before, and today we'll be making spicy soy sauce chicken using chicken thigh. Let's get started. We want to lightly season the chicken thigh with salt and pepper, and let's set aside for 10 minutes. Then we want a few aromatic ingredients that will flavor our chicken. Just cut the green onion into 2-inch size pieces. 2 green chili peppers, which is gonna make a nice kick to our chicken thigh. And smash a few cloves of garlic. Now, we wanna remove any liquid from the chicken. Pat dry by using paper towel. This will prevent from splashing the oil when cooking, and it also results in a crispy texture. The chicken has been salted for about 30 minutes, and I could see the liquid on the surface of it, so remove the excess liquid as much as possible, which is very important to make a very crispy outside of the chicken. Now let's make a sauce. Combine 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, same amount of rice wine, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar in a mixing bowl. Heat the skillet with 1 teaspoon of oil over medium-high. When the oil is heated, place the chicken skin side up, and we're going to cook it covered until cooked through. It will take about 5 minutes. Flip it, then lower the heat to medium-low, and add green onion and garlic to the pan. If you put these ingredients from the beginning, they burn. Watch out because green onion and garlic easily burns. And when the chicken is seared on both sides, it's important to lower the heat. Then the chicken thigh will turn out perfectly aromatic. Okay, when the chicken is done, transfer it to the cooking rack. Turn off the heat and then wipe the pan with paper towel. I recommend to cool the pan for a bit, about 3 minutes. Then pour the sauce to the pan and heat it over medium-low heat. Throw the chili pepper to the pan and infuse the chili paste to the sauce. Add the chicken thigh skin side up and braise it slowly, making sure the sauce is not too hot. Let's cook until the sauce is almost absorbed to the chicken. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Now cut into bite-sized pieces if you're serving with chopsticks. Transfer to a big platter. Garlic and green onion cooked with chicken taste so good. So put them aside, and let's add some more sauce to the chicken. Wow, it looks awesome. The chicken looks juicy and tender, and since it's glazed in a very flavorful soy sauce, I love the balance of sweet and salty of the chicken thigh. There are so many recipes for the chicken thigh, but I must say that this is one of my favorite. Thank you for watching. See you again.